In this video, I will guide you how you can make an account on Jotform. So first of all, simply search for Jotform into your browser and then you just need to either sign up with Google, Microsoft, or you can simply sign up with your email address. For me, I will go with Google. So once you have signed up, let's start with the basics. So Jotform has a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily create custom forms of your choice. Next thing is there are templates that you can use and it will going to be very helpful considering you are just getting started. So if I click on this form templates just as an example, as you can see there are thousands of templates that I can go with. You just need to click on the use template and then customize everything according to your own brand and you are good to go. There are 10,000 plus free online templates that you can choose from. So that's a great thing about short forms. So let's start by simply clicking on a simple template and click on use template, and I can add my logo, and if I scroll down, everything here is fully customizable. I can adjust its properties, or if I don't want any of these section, I can simply click on this remove button. Now Jotform also offers a variety of forms element to meet your needs, and you can also set up your form to show or hide fields. You can send emails to certain users, show different thank you messages, and more based on how the users feels in your form. So at the end, Jotform is a powerful tool for creating and managing online forms. It's important to familiarize yourself with its features to make the most of it, and you're good to go. So hope this helped. This is how you can make an account on Jotform.